Welcome to the presentation on cognitive load theory. This presentation is to discuss how instructional designers can use cognitive load theory to help create instruction. We will be talking about two design effects from cognitive load theory. The first effect we will be discussing is the worked example effect. The worked example effect says that students learn more effectively when they study worked out solutions instead of trying to solve problems on their own in the beginning of learning. An example of this is shown. In this case, they learned how to do a math program through a step-by-step example before they apply this method to a similar problem independently. The worked example effect reduces extraneous load, supports schema acquisition, and improves learning efficiency. It allows them to focus on understanding and developing mental models they can apply to the question. It also reduces trial and error, so it is super effective for beginners. The split attention effect is when learners divide their attention between multiple sources of information. There is an example of this below. In the first example, a learner has to use the letters to find which description belongs in the place. This is time-consuming and mentally draining. On the right, the descriptions are embedded in the diagram, which decreases cognitive effort. The split attention effect reduces extraneous cognitive load. It specifically targets the working memory and allows learners to focus on understanding and schema construction. This effect is best used in diagrams with text, multimedia presentation, and instructional materials. Thank you for following along with this presentation. Reach out with any questions.